Welcome to my channel, Today I'm going to Stonehenge. Now I take the train, the Southwestern Rail. How awesome it looks like. So there is a sign with no diving, no swimming. When Salisbury surprise you, I never see this before. When you see those stairs with glass, you are thinking that those stairs are the way to heaven. And I think this is the purpose of the stairs near church. Now I am on the Salisbury Cathedral, and this is so big, and I never seen this structure. I mean, something very different. I never seen this before. This is another piece of art, like the stairway, which is there, if you see, and this is a large reclining figure by Henry Moore. And this piece is, until now, Salisbury, it surprised me again. The art that I like is very, how to say, I don't have the word to describe this, but this is interesting. Now I have to take the bus to Stonehenge, and I have to pay 60 pounds. Now the bus stop here in the Stonehenge, and the last very important thing, the last bus is at the 5 p.m. And this must be the old houses, and I think this is the stone with 2 tones, and this is just pieces. The history of 500 years just here. Is well preserved, and here let's see what is in there and see. Let's check the map. There we go. The Stonehenge Avenue E. Arrow showing solstice alignment. B must be here. Go to the Stonehenge. So in my back is Stonehenge, the 500 years history just in my back. As long as you walk around the Stonehenge, you are very close to the stones. This is the end of the trip to the Stonehenge. Don't forget to check the map of the Stonehenge, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and soon we'll travel in time again.